Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Nate Bradley, mobile technician here at Ohio Peterbilt out of Broadview Heights. We're gonna do a ride along today. We have a couple calls already lined up. So right now I'm at the shop here in Broadview, picking up some parts, dropping off some warranty parts. I'm gonna do a pre-trip on my truck and we're gonna hit the road. In this day and age, it's hard enough finding guys with CDLs or, even able to get them anymore. So most of our customers don't really have spare drivers when their trucks go down to bring their trucks to the shop, let alone the loss of revenue. They save a whole step by just having us come to their location. And some of these customers are an hour out from our nearest shop or further even. So us coming to them really saves them a substantial amount of time throughout their day. Right now we're on our way to NCT, as it's called, which is a Keenan location in North Canton. We got a call end of the day yesterday, so I told them we'd be out there first thing this morning to take a look at it and see what's going on. After Keenan, we're gonna head back up north. We're gonna go to Medina Supply, ready mix concrete company. How's it going, Joe?
Good, how are you?
This is Joe Reed. He's the shop manager here at North Canton Transfer, Keenan Advantage Group. What are some of the benefits that we offer coming out here doing mobile service that saves you time, or just your general thoughts on mobile service?
Yeah, I mean, a lot of the problems being, a very large fleet is our drivers are constantly running loads. So to go through and have a driver who's kind of hanging out and stuff to be able to take it to the terminal or call a tow truck, let alone to go through and get it delivered, it doesn't always work out the best. It delays time getting these trucks back on the road.
Yep. All right, so with that being said, what am I here for today?
We're going to go ahead and we're going to work on some transmission faults.
Okay. All right, Joe, I got that 3437 diag. One last thing, could you talk about the relationship between Ohio Peterbilt and Keenan Advantage Group?
Yeah, the relationship itself, I mean, it's very smooth. Consistently, we have air coming here. We like to handle a lot of our warranty jobs and stuff like that, as well as just some of the bigger ticket items. Or honestly, when we're short-staffed as we are today.
All right, thanks, Joe.
Thank you.
I'm going to take off.
Have a good one.
All right, guys, we're wrapped up here at Keenan Advantage Group. We're going to hop in the truck and head up to Medina Supply. Let's go. All right, we're here at Medina Supply. This is Brian Carino. He's the shop foreman here. What am I here to look at today, Brian?
Well, we got this truck here that looks like it needs a new cooling hose.
Okay.
And probably need to hook up to it and check for software updates.
Okay.
Well, the mobile service is a big help to us because we don't always have the extra drivers to transport trucks back and forth to the main shop dealership. That is a large help for us because they'll just come out and fix the trucks on site.
The transparency comes with the length of the relationship. A lot of things can happen, and when it comes to uptime, the wheels got to keep moving. So as far as transparency goes, it comes with establishing a relationship with the customer. They trust you, they trust your judgment, and to make the correct repair decision. All right, guys, that about wraps up our time filming today. I'm gonna hop back in the truck. Got one more place to go to finish out my day. Once again, my name was Nate Bradley, mobile service technician for Ohio Peterbilt. Thanks.